What's up, Charlie, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover video today. I bought this Honeywell fan from Target. It was $38.89. It is the Honeywell 5-speed tower fan. It comes with this remote control, which later I found out that it needs batteries because I didn't see the back of it. It's pretty easy to set up. I just couldn't figure it out for a little while. But basically, you just snap this base together from the bottom and the top. Throw that little piece away. You put the power cord through that opening, either one of the base. You unscrew this red part that locks the fan to the base. Put that aside for a little bit. And then the fan just locks into place pretty easily. And then you just put the power cord through, or put the red part through the power cord, and then just screw it back in, and it will lock the fan into the base. And it was literally that simple. But this took me like 10 minutes to figure out. Now I'm just gonna plug it in. And this is the point I realized that I needed batteries. You need 2 AAA batteries. And now it works. So the 5 speeds are sleep, calm, white noise, refresh, and power cool. You can set it for 1, 2, 4, and 8 hours. And you can spin the fan. And to lock it in place, you press twice. I really like this fan, and you guys should try it too. I will leave the link down below in the description box. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye!